Alright guys, Josie in Orlando with video number 4 of unboxing some trading cards. So we're gonna go through this pack today and see what we find. We have some Flair cards 1990, and then we have some Don Ross 90 cards. So we'll go through these pretty quickly. Let me do like this so that I can flip them pretty fast like we did last time. And then we'll look through them and see if there's anything good. So let me go like this. Here we go. So let's get through these. This one's. Oh, I thought it might be different because since it had that gold rim on there. But I guess that's just the way they made it for the Giants here. And the names are here on top on the Don Ross, which is nice. So we'll just go through them just like this. And if you see anything good, let me know below. Since I'm learning along with you guys. Oh, there's a Cubby. Jeff Pico. Pitcher. Alright. Don Ross Hall of Fame Diamond King. And it's got some things about him. This card, since it's different, might be worth something. Let's see what it says here. Little background on him. At least 100 hits every season for his first 20 seasons. Wow. Alright. Considering that's almost like a drawing, that might be a keeper. So I'll put that one on the side. Let's go through these. Twins, Cardinals, Braves, Padres, Diamond Kings. Guess that's some kind of checklist. Oh, okay. So here's the Diamond Kings card of Chris Russo. No, Bosio. And let's see what it says. For the Milwaukee Brewers. Huh? It's kind of cool looking. Again, it's different, so I'm going to put it here on the side. Alright, rated rookie card. There you go. Here's a rookie card for Robin Ventura. Rated rookie. Put that on the side. Oh, there goes another rookie card. Todd. What's Zeal? Is that his last name? Todd Edward Zeal. Rookie card. Nice. Ooh, another rookie card. From the Padres, Sandy Alomar Jr. Rated rookie card. You can see the edges on these are just about perfect. There's no creasing or anything, so that's a nice rookie card. Oh, another rookie card. Kent Ricker from the Braves. Rated rookie card. Oh, another rookie card. Ben McDonald rookie card. When he was with the Orioles. Alright. Oh, I got another one of those Diamond Kings with Willie Randolph. So I'll put that in the good pile. Roberto Kelly from the Yankees. Alright. Phillies. Dodger band. Yankees. Dodger card. Reds. The Twins. Here's a nice little checklist. Somebody might want a checklist, so I'm gonna put that in the keeper pile. Alright. Oh, and there's another one of those diamond ones, so we'll put that there since that looks special. Alright, let's see what we got here. Astros, Orioles, Angels, Mets, Pirates, Brewers, Rangers. Oh, there goes another one of those diamond cards. Keep that there. Brewers, White Sox, boo. Giants, Tigers. Alright. Oh, there goes another one of those diamond cards. Put that there. Alright. Tony Pena. Name sounds familiar. I wonder if he ever played for the Cubs. Padres, Red Sox, Cardinals. Orioles, Rangers, second baseman, Cubbies, Damon Barrow. Alright. Oops. Yankees. Oh, another one of those Diamond King cards. Put that in the safe pile. Alright. Phillies, Cardinals, Blue Jays, A's, Twins, Mets, Braves. Oh, another Diamond card. Eh, that guy looks like a older version of Richie Cunningham. Put him in the keep pile. Indians, Twins, Expos, Cubbies. There goes Rick. He was a pitcher. The Reds, Barry Bonds. Ooh, Barry Bonds. With the Pirates. Barry Lemon Bonds. I'm going to put him in the look that up pile. Oh, another one of these cool looking portrait cards. Alright. Astros, Expos, Rangers. Nope, another one of those diamond portrait cards. Ed Woodson. Keep that in the look that up pile. Alright. See if we get any more rookie cards. Another one of those portrait cards. I'm assuming that these are cards that are collectible and maybe they're worth, now they're probably only worth like $1 or $2 and probably worth more if they sign them. I would assume these are the ones that you would take and have them sign. This one says Mel Hall. Okay. Checklist card. Put that in there, look that up. Somebody might want a checklist. Alright. Oh, another one. Pete O'Brien. Portrait cards. Now those might be worth $3 shipped. It's $3. Darryl Strawberry. There's Darryl Strawberry with the Mets. Put him in the keeper. Oh, there goes a rated rookie card. Marquise Grinton of the Expos. That's gonna go in the look up pile. Alright. Another one of these. Ellis Burks. Put that there. And I'm definitely seeing, even like I said in the other videos, even at $3, these are the last two. Even at $3, definitely gonna make my money back if anything. So we got a good handful of rookie cards in this pile. And so you got Diamond, rookie. That's just a cool Darryl Strawberry. This one, put that on checklist. Here, split them up a little bit, see what we got. Barry Bonds is a cool one to look up. We got a whole bunch of these. Here's another checklist. Rookie, 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 rookie. That's some good rookie cards. Alright. So, let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of these portrait cards, and if I could sell them for $3, that's $39 right there. So this will pay for the whole box. Now we got some rookie cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rookie cards. And here's the checklist for the diamond, so I can look through it and see what I have, what I'm missing. So it says the Diamond King series, which now includes 224 different paintings of the National Games greats, has become a prized and highly sought after collectible among collectors. All right. And is a special favorite of autograph card collectors. Okay, so these are the ones that you would take, and when the players were doing the autograph, you would have them sign them, which would be very nice. Obviously, none of ours are signed, but that's okay. This year, we salute 3 previously recognized Diamond Kings, Mr. Steve Sachs, Lou Whitaker, and Willie Randolph. The Diamond Kings have been reproduced from original watercolors by Don Ross exclusive artist Dick Perez, artist in residence, Perez Steel Galleries, Fort Washington, Pennsylvania. His original works may be seen at the Don Ross Art Gallery, the National Baseball Hall of Fame, and in private and other institutional collections throughout North America. Okay, so these cards are collectible. Oops, sorry, I'm hitting the camera there. They are collectible, and I'm assuming, they're going to be, of course, worth more if they have signatures on them. And if the players are, great players and signed, and of course it's worth more. Condition and all that good stuff. But, even like I said, if these are worth $3 or so, I still have like $40 in here. And the whole 1,000 cards only cost me $35. So I have 29 cents or so into these cards. So I'm seeing between these, the rookie cards, Barry Bonds, and some other cards in here that are in good shape. I'm definitely gonna make my money back and then some. So this is video, I believe, number 4 going up, and we are about halfway through. So look forward to the next video. Thank you for hanging out with me and checking out these cards. Give us a thumbs up and hit that bell icon so you can know when I bring up the next cards. I'll probably be doing a video a day just until we get through these. So thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video. Remember, you cannot sell if you do not list. So make sure you list, and we'll see you on the next video.